Next, I'll be showing you how to solve the ALEKS problem. Draw the structure for the conjugate acid of the base shown. And what ALEKS is asking is that we be sure to include all lone pairs and formal charges if applicable on the structure. Again, this is mostly a refresher material from Chem 2, but I use two simple rules when solving this question. It is that the acid of the base will have one more hydrogen, and that a lone pair from the other element, so say Br in here, we could pick either one of these lone pairs is going to be the one that's going to connect the hydrogen to it. So I'll show you what I mean in a second. So we'll start right here with the Br. So as mentioned, we'll draw the Br out first. We'll take one of these lone pair groups right here, and we're going to use that to connect the hydrogen. From there, we're going to write in the other 6 lone pairs. So I'll put them here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the last thing that we're going to do is make sure that it has the right charge. Again, bromine falls under group 7 alpha. So we'll start with a 7 right here. We're going to subtract and we're going to count the bonds that surround it. So we have 1, this bond right here, and then we're going to count for each electron. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that'd be 7 minus 7, which is 0. So this is our structure for hydrobromic acid, which is a strong acid. And then next, we'll come down and we'll use the same system to solve for this structure as well. So I'll draw it out as it is. I'll write my O right here. I'm going to highlight one of the lone pairs. So I'll highlight this one. I'm going to just go ahead and use this one to kind of write my bond out. So right here, and I still have 4 lone pairs that's on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to have my hydrogen that's added in right here. So the last thing I'm going to do is just check my structure to make sure that the charges make sense. So with oxygen, it falls under group 6A. So that means we're going to start with the number 6. And we're going to subtract the amount of bonds and electrons around it. So here I have 1, 2 bonds, and then I have 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4. In total, that's 6. So it'll be 6 minus 6 equals 0. So this will be the conjugate acid. So I think this is fairly simple. And if this helped either you or your classmates, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.